Good morning, YouTube. I am going to give a short little lesson on how to do your preferences setup on the TestoDroid app that communicates to the Testo combustion analyzers over Bluetooth. And hopefully that will help some of you set it up and tune it to your liking. So here we go. Going to go ahead and get the analyzer fired up. I am using the Testo 320. We'll let it go ahead and zero out. I don't have any probes connected to it at this point, but that doesn't make a big difference for what we're trying to showcase here. Yep, nothing connected. Going to go to the menu, come down to device settings, come down to Bluetooth, and I've got it on, but if you didn't, you'd go down to Bluetooth and hit change, and then you could toggle it off or on. Once it's on, we can go ahead and hit escape and get our Android device ready. We've got the TestoDroid app downloaded already. We're going to go to settings, going to click into Bluetooth, and we see our available devices, Testo 320, number. Go ahead and tap that. And it will ask you for a PIN. And now we are paired to the Testo 320. You can go in and rename the device. I don't think Testo 320 number is necessary. We're going to go ahead and delete the numbers and back up to the first letter and capitalize it. Proper spelling is absolutely necessary. Okay, so now we're paired. And go back to the home screen and go to the TestoDroid app. Select a device to connect. We'll select the Testo 320. And right now we're starting out in the graphing stage. In the vertical orientation on this particular tablet, all the numbers and letters are kind of screwy. But if you rotate to landscape, things look a whole lot better. So, to set up your system for preferences, you come down to this little icon right here on the bottom corner, tap that, and you'll have preferences, about, and help. We'll tap on preferences, and in your graphing chart or your chart settings, you've got different measure values to select. And you can select the duration for how long those values will be graphed. So you can go into measurement 1 and select from all of these measurements what you wanted to graph or trend. I like what it is already, the fuel type. So we're going to go ahead and hit cancel. You can do the same for measurement 2, 3, and 4, and it will trend all 4 of those measurements. Now, when you print your report, you can add custom lettering to there. You can go into header line 1 and adjust what it says on that header. Tap OK. Header line 2, and you can select that, so on and so forth through header 3 and footer. You can come in here and tell it what type of output you want to save the file as. You can do PDF, Pocket PC, XML to 2013. I prefer PDF for my files, so we'll leave it on PDF. You can tell it to ask for format while saving. Toggle that off or on with the checkbox over here. You can tell it how to save those items on the SD memory card. Send also as email, yes or no, and put in the email address that you want to send it to. So those are your settings, how to set up your preferences, I should say. And if you go back, you can go back to the main screen. And here you have start or stop, which will start and stop your analyzer. You've got table, which is the trending graph. You can also have it display as a chart or actually I believe this is the table and the trending is the chart. If you have a Bluetooth printer, you can print to that directly from the app. If you have the infrared printer, this button won't do anything. I have the infrared printer and my Bluetooth is in my analyzer itself. But if you had the Bluetooth printer, you could print from the application and you can save your readings and it'll give you an option. It's asking for the file format while saving and then gives you your other options. So there you have it. Pretty straightforward, pretty basic walkthrough of how to set up the preferences on the TestoDroid app in conjunction with the combustion analyzers. Hopefully that helps somebody out. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, and we'll see you on the next video.